Ah, yes. Chainsaw Man. The anime looks good to me. The manga, part 1, part 2. For some reason, part 2 ending's trending, so I may as well read the whole thing and, This ending's trash! Not even mid. Straight trash. As Chainsaw Man fans, we can explain. There is no way you can explain this cause the ending is trending cause it's trash. I ain't coping, but maybe there's a deeper meaning to the ending. What's there to not understand? Small spoiler warning. Resetting the timeline? That ain't it. Most of the characters in part 1 don't even show up in part 2, even though it makes sense that they should show up in part 2, but I guess not. Characters that died in part 1, well, they're alive because of the reset, but because events play out differently in the timeline reset, some of the characters that should be there, they're actually not there. Part 2 never happened. And I guess most of part 1 also never happened because the events are different. There's only one thing that could save Chainsaw Man. The potential of part 3! Part 3? Do you not see the last page? It says, the end. There's no part 1, public security. Ended. It's just the end. That's it. Oh, I can't cope with this. Wait. At least our ending's better than JDK's. The whole internet is clowning on you.